Imagine running a business in Africa just 10 years ago. A customer in Kenya wants to paste your company is based in Nigeria. Your supplier is in Ghana. And your investor is sitting thousands of kilometers away in London. Sounds simple today, but back then moving money across Africa wasn't just difficult, it was frustrating. Payments were slow. Different countries had different banking systems. Currencies rarely worked together. Businesses lost customers simply because people couldn't pay. For millions of African entrepreneurs, payments weren't just an inconvenience. They were one of the biggest barriers to growth. Pause, but then just one company asked a simple question. What if sending and receiving money across Africa could be as easy as sending an email? That question would eventually give birth to one of Africa's biggest fintech success stories. Flutterwave, how Flutterwave expanded across Africa and the global market. Before we talk about Flutterwave, we first need to understand the problem it was trying to solve, that Africa is home to more than one. For billion people, there's over 50 countries, hundreds of banks, dozens of currencies, and countless payment systems. Each country developed its own financial infrastructure. That meant businesses expanding beyond their borders often had to integrate different banks, different payment processes, different regulations, different technologies. For small businesses, this was almost impossible. Imagine opening an online store to someone from South Africa who wants to buy your product. Another customer lives in Rwanda, another in Ghana. Each payment could require a completely different process. Instead of focusing on selling products, businesses spent valuable time trying to figure out how to get paid. Africa wasn't lacking entrepreneurs, it wasn't lacking customers, it was lacking a bridge. A bridge connecting every business, every bank, every customer that across the continent. The man with the vision, Benga Agboola, financial districts, coding, meetings, and payment systems. That bridge would begin with one man. Benga Agboola, before becoming one of Africa's best-known fintech founders. Agboola had already worked with some of the world's leading financial institutions. He understood something many people overlooked. The biggest opportunity wasn't building another bank. It was building the technology behind the banks instead of competing with financial institutions. Why not connect them? Instead of replacing existing payment systems, why not make them work together? That idea would become the foundation of Flutterwave. The birth of Flutterwave in 2016, Flutterwave officially launched. Its mission sounded incredibly ambitious: to create a single payment infrastructure connecting Africa to itself and to the rest of the world, instead of businesses integrating dozens of payment providers. Flutterwave wanted to become one platform that could handle everything: card payments, bank transfers, mobile monies, international payments, business collections, developer integrations, cross-border commerce. It wasn't just building another fintech. You can read the complete article on Frenovara website, frenovara.com. Check out the link to this article in the description of this video title. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Frenovara. Follow us X, Facebook, and Instagram at frenovara. Till next episode on Africa Business Success Stories. Which company in Africa would you love us to talk about? Drop it in the comments section.